This is a continuation of the previous video, what we spoke about the parasexuality. So now I told you when a fungus cannot perform sexual reproduction, the two mycelium which have come together for sexual reproduction will randomly fuse. There is no decision here. Will randomly fuse. So the haploid cell of mycelium A and haploid cell of mycelium B will result in diploid cell. I am not calling it as zygote because there is no sexual reproduction. Somehow it managed to fuse and give a diploid cell as a backup call. Now what will this diploid cell undergo is, this will undergo mitosis. So all of us know in mitosis the ploidy of the cell will double. So if it is diploid, it will become 2 twos are 4 times. We call this, if this is diploid, ploidy means number of chromosomes, and this is tetraploid. That means diploid doubled. Now after forming tetraploid genetic material, what it will do is, it will shuffle chromosomes. It will shuffle chromosomes like how we take number of stones and shake it in the bar. It will double the genetic material or chromosomes, that is the nucleus, by mitosis, and it randomly shuffles the chromosomes after mitosis. Then this is because the chromosomes are too much moved, then they are distributed to the daughter cells. Mitosis, no. Then they are distributed to the daughter cells. Because there was shuffling of chromosomes, so I get 2 daughter cells as the cell division is mitosis. Each one will have a diploid. Okay, sometimes there will be abnormal cell division, abnormal distribution also. This can't be meticulously diploid. There can be abnormal distribution also. That means it may be triploid, okay, or it may be haploid again. So one cell can be haploid and another cell can be triploid. There will be abnormal distribution because this is not meticulously sexual reproduction. Everywhere in every step the fungus is doing something so that it will result in the mixing of chromosomes, because sexual reproduction brings variations. Even though it is performing parasexuality, it wants to bring variation. Because of this abnormal distribution, we may see a variation in chromosomes. Okay, then I can get a new mycelium. So in sexual reproduction also I have a mycelium with new character. In parasexuality also I see a mycelium with new character, because there is shuffling of chromosomes. If it is sexual reproduction, I will have meiosis, which is actually meant for shuffling of chromosomes, then followed by gamete. Gamete will fuse, diploid zygote will form. Zygote also will undergo meiosis, and then it will give me offspring. But this is something which is not that regular. I also see here fusion of cytoplasm, fusion of nuclei, then mitosis, doubling the chromosomes, then shuffling the chromosomes, but not definite, correct and precise like sexual reproduction. Everything is random, yet I get a mycelium with a new character because somehow the fungus managed to shuffle the chromosomes. This is called as parasexuality and unique to fungi which cannot perform sexual reproduction. We usually see it in Aspergillus genus. Aspergillus, this is a genus. ठीक है.